When your Verizon order shows an on-hold status, it means Verizon has successfully received your order but cannot proceed with fulfillment due to specific issues that need to be resolved first. There are 4 main categories of issues that can cause your order to be placed on hold. Let's examine each category and understand what specific problems can occur. First, credit and financial issues are common causes of order holds. These include credit verification failures, declined payment methods, insufficient funds, or when account spending limits are exceeded. Second, inventory and supply issues occur when the requested device is out of stock, accessories are back-ordered, or there are regional distribution center shortages affecting product availability. Third, account and service holds happen when there are existing account issues such as past due balances, fraud flags, number portability complications, or service area verification problems. Fourth, technical and system holds can occur due to address verification failures, system maintenance periods, order processing errors requiring manual review, or compliance and regulatory checks. In 2025, supply chain impacts continue to be a significant factor. High demand for 5G equipment, combined with ongoing global supply chain disruptions, has increased the frequency of inventory-related holds. Understanding these common causes helps you identify why your order might be on hold and prepares you for the next steps in resolving the issue. When your Verizon order shows on-hold status, there are specific troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly and get your order back on track. The first step is to perform basic troubleshooting on your own. Start by verifying your payment information to ensure your credit card is valid and has sufficient available credit. Next, check your account status for any outstanding balances, restrictions, or past due amounts that might be blocking your new order from processing. Finally, review your order details carefully. Verify that your shipping address and contact information are accurate, as incorrect details are a common cause of order holds. If your self-service troubleshooting doesn't resolve the hold, or if the hold persists beyond 5 business days without communication, it's time to contact Verizon support. Verizon offers multiple ways to get help, and each method has different success rates for resolving order holds. Let's compare your options. Store visits have the highest success rate at 85%, followed by phone support at 78%. This is because store representatives and phone agents can access more detailed information and resolve complex issues immediately. Visiting a Verizon store gives you the best chance of resolving your order hold, as store representatives can immediately access your account and make necessary changes. Verizon is also working to improve the order process with new technology. They're implementing AI-powered prediction systems and blockchain integration to reduce hold times by 25% through process automation. Remember, most order holds can be resolved quickly by following these troubleshooting steps. If self-service doesn't work, don't hesitate to contact support, especially by visiting a store or calling customer service for the best results.